how to set up shipping in Wix step by step. First, log into your Wix account and go to your dashboard. From there, click on Settings, then scroll down and select Shipping, Delivery and Fulfillment. This is where you can manage all your shipping options. Next, click Create Region to set up a new shipping area. Choose your preferred region or country where you want to offer shipping services. Once you've selected it, click Next to continue. Then click Add Rate to set up your shipping costs, whether it's a flat rate, free shipping, or based on weight. Review all your settings carefully, and once you're done, save your changes. That's it. You've successfully set up shipping in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.